Ladies and gentlemen, this is Keith from I Repair Autos. Today I'm going to show you how to change your mass airflow air intake filter. Without much ado, let's get started. But before we do, let's remember to like, share, and subscribe. New video every Monday. Let's get to it. In order to get to the air filters, let's start off by removing a couple things. I'm going to take off this cover. We're going to then disconnect the air intake hoses. There's a left and there's a right side. Immediately I see some debris. Looks like some leaves, dragonfly. The other side also has some debris. So what we're gonna do before we proceed, we're gonna use a wet vac to remove that. You will then disconnect this retaining clip at the back of the housing. To remove this housing, you just snap this side up and snap this side up. It's held by clips that are not easy to break, so you don't have to worry. So you snap it up, and we're going to just bring this up slowly. Then holding it in the center, remove it. So the air filters are left and right, and they're held by 4 torque star bolts, T20s, 4 of them, one there, further up one there. So we're going to take those off. Once you've loosened up all 4, then you just remove the cover, and there's your filter. Alright, the filter is then taken out for inspection. I like to just peek inside and see what's going on. But even if the filter may be reusable because it's not dirty, look what's inside here. This is what's been caught and trapped. Okay, so it's always a good idea to just clean these out. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take all of these off, the other side as well, and I'm gonna just remove it, take all the debris out, all the dust, all the broken up pieces of leaves that get caught in there, especially in the fall or up in New England. And I'm gonna actually wash this compartment and let it dry completely before putting it back in. Make sure you get it the right way, turn the right way, or these bolts will not line up. Alright. It's good to do one side at a time so you don't have that issue. When you're loosening it up, just the reverse. Alright, once everything is bolted back in place, see this little clip right here? There's one on this side. There's one on that side. And that's the front, right? This is the front of the bezel. There's one in the back as well. The biggest thing to make sure is that you have the lip. And I'll just show you. This hole needs to go over that mass airflow sensor. So if you start off by lining that up, then all of the other things will go into place. Make sure that you take this hose right here and connect it. That clip goes right in place there and holds it down. Then this connects here like so. This one, same dealio. Let me know what other issues you're having with your Mercedes, and I'll try to create a do-it-yourself video so that you can make your Mercedes great again. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.